Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here with Epicure, so clean eating without sacrifice. I do have my group, my Facebook group on the link on the bottom here for you, so if you would like to have a look. But I'm going to talk to you guys about why I do not do home parties. And this isn't saying that home parties are bad or you don't make money from them, because you actually do make more money doing home parties. Because think of yourself as a customer. If you can see something, taste it, pick it up, you're more inclined to buy it, right? Because anytime you see something that you want a sample or you want to try it first. You're not going to spend your hard-earned money usually on something that you can't try first. But I stick to online parties, and honestly, it's just because I have so many other things happening. For those of you who don't know me, I tutor dental hygiene and dental assisting students online. I work at a dental office twice a week as a dental hygienist, and I do own my own practice where I go to nursing homes and other people's homes, offices to clean their teeth. So I'm busy. And, just online parties work for me. I sell enough every single month to have a nice qualifying party. It might not be, the cooking class that's $1,500 or more, but it's at least, I'd say on average, I make about $300 to $500 a month in sales. So that's still pretty good, right? To join Epicure, you need to sell $250 worth of products in a single month, every 3 months. Okay, so even if I did that every 3 months, then I'm still, allowed to be a part of the company. And I first joined Epicure because I wanted the discount for myself. I know that everybody says that, but it's true. I save so much money on herbs, spices, seasonings, cookware, just because I sell Epicure and that I am able to offer it to people that I know. The teapot that we have is the most amazing teapot ever. In fact, I'll see if I can find it for you guys. But I don't pay full price for anything. I think I got the teapot for free actually, because I held an online party that sold a ton, so I was able to pick it for free. Sorry, I can't find it right away, so I'm just going to see. But, things like that, I got it for free. It's a $68 teapot, but it's amazing because it's for tea and coffee. Like, it's the best thing ever. But anyways, you guys, so that's why I don't do home parties, is because I'm just busy and I sell enough with online. So if you guys need help with online parties, let me know, because that's my specialty. And what I like to do now, because honestly, I have enough Epicure, is I like to pick a customer every single month to get all of the host exclusives, because I have everything. Like, how silly does that sound? But it's true. And everybody that I know for their birthday, Christmas, has gotten enough Epicure that I can afford to kind of give my rewards away to somebody else, and my customers love that. So even though I don't do home parties, everything's online, well, they're not going to go to somebody else because I give them basically free stuff, with it. For example, every single order this month, that customer will be entered into a draw for the qualified cooking class. So depending on how much I'm able to sell, they will get all of this for free. So people love that. And once they try more and more things, they realize, oh, I like this, I need to order more. And then they will cook for other people. Those other people will say, oh, wow, that cheesecake was the most amazing cheesecake I've ever had. Where did you get that from? They will say, well, I got it from Epicure. Even if they haven't heard of Epicure before, they will want it too. So then they come to me, and then I sell more. So that's how my online parties work. In fact, what I should be doing is showing you guys my Facebook group. So for online parties, I literally just do everything in my Facebook group. Let's see, I'll just kind of show you guys that really quickly if you want to see it. So I have 145 members, that's it, because I don't just invite everybody I know either. So they kind of feel like it's more exclusive. But look, just as an example, it's Super Bowl Sunday, so I'm posting some sales on different products. So even if they're not interested in purchasing today, they will be at some point, because I don't just post about products. I post about other things too. I posted just the other day about this here. I made, what did I make the other day? Actually, I still need to make some donuts, but I posted that I had some samples come in. I posted the new Canada food guide. I posted that I made some popcorn the other day, which was so easy. So even if they don't purchase something from me right away, it doesn't mean that they won't at some point. But this is why online parties work for me, because I can easily keep posting about the product. Whereas a home party, yes, you do probably sell more. It's a lot easier to sell and it's quicker. But I have to take time out of my day, 3 hours that I just simply don't have, to be perfectly honest with you, to do a home party. But please, I'm not saying that home parties are bad. In fact, if you're able to do them, you will make so much money and you will be awesome. Just I don't have time. So this is why my online parties work for me. So last month, I sold enough where what I was saying before was that my customer was able to get $70 worth of free Epicure products and 2 half-off items. And they had ordered, if I remember correctly, $93 worth of stuff, which is still awesome, but they can get more free stuff. So they love that. They will keep coming to me, even if they know that somebody else in their area does Epicure home parties. And I kind of feel these days too that most people don't want to go to a home party. I could be wrong, but I know if somebody invited me to a home party for Epicure or for anything, I would just say, oh, I have other things to do. But online, it's all just right there. You can stay home, wear whatever you want, and there you go. So I hope this helps you guys. Any questions, let me know. And thank you so much for watching.